Before we get into why people are being denied ivermectin, do you think there's hope in ivermectin? Is it potentially an effective therapeutic for COVID?
Don't do it. There's no evidence whatsoever that that works.
Every night this week, we're going to do a segment on treatments for COVID. So you get COVID, what are your options exactly? On June 5th, Weinstein discussed the benefits of a drug called Ivermectin, which can and is around the world used to treat and prevent the spread of the coronavirus. It's not some crackpot fish tank cleaner, it's a real drug, and physicians prescribe it. Turns out there are a number of promising drugs and drug combinations emerging that could treat COVID, including ivermectin. The media hate this. They call ivermectin a horse medication. Pharmacies in some places are refusing to fill the drug. Why?
Poison control centers are reporting that their calls are spiking in places like Mississippi and Oklahoma because some Americans are trying to use an anti-parasite horse drug called ivermectin to treat coronavirus, to prevent contracting coronavirus. What would you tell someone who is considering taking that drug?
Don't do it. There's no evidence whatsoever that that works, and it could potentially have toxicity, as you just mentioned, with people who have gone to poison control centers because they've taken the drug at a ridiculous dose and wind up getting sick. There's no clinical evidence that indicates that this works.
Why Google would be opposed to talking about ivermectin? It's confusing in some ways. It was totally cool to give like opioids to drug addicts, but ivermectin, we can't have that. CNN doesn't want it.